In this video, I will guide you through the process of integrating Trello with Google Calendar. To begin, open the Trello board where you want to integrate Google Calendar. Once you're on the board, locate the Power-Ups icon. Click on it and then select the Add Power-Ups option. A search box will appear. Type Google Calendar into it. Several Power-Ups will be listed, but you need to select Google Calendar Sync, which has the corresponding logo. Click on the Add button and then confirm by clicking Add again. This will successfully add the Google Calendar Power-Up to your Trello board. Once added, close the Power-Up menu and reopen it by clicking on the Power-Ups option again. You will now see Google Calendar and the Power-Up listed here. Click on the calendar and you will be presented with the option to authorize the integration. Click on Authorize and scroll down on the next page to allow the necessary permissions. After that, click on Start. At this stage, you need to select the Google account you want to integrate with Trello. Choose your preferred account and click on Continue. If you have multiple calendars associated with your Google account, you will have the option to choose which one to integrate. Once selected, click Next. The next step is selecting the synchronization direction. You can choose one-way synchronization from Trello to Google Calendar, from Google Calendar to Trello, or a two-way sync. After selecting the desired option, choose the Trello list you want to sync and then click Save. Once saved, you will see your Google Calendar account linked to Trello. Close the Settings menu. Now, if you go back to the Power-Ups menu and click on Google Calendar, you will be able to see any existing events from your Google Calendar. If you want to add a Trello card to Google Calendar, open the specific card, click on the Dates option on the right-hand panel, select a date and time, and click Save. After a few seconds, open your Google Calendar and you will see the Trello card appearing as an event. Additionally, you can adjust the card's timeline directly in Google Calendar by dragging and extending the event. Any changes made in Google Calendar will be reflected in Trello after a short delay. This seamless integration ensures that your tasks are updated in both platforms, making project management more effective.